The third-class lever calculator determines the effort force required to lift a load when both the effort and load are on the same side of the fulcrum. Let's examine the input fields. First, we have load force F2, where you enter the weight or force of your load. Next is distance from fulcrum to effort D1, which measures how far your applied effort is from the pivot point. Finally, distance from fulcrum to load D2 indicates how far the load sits from the fulcrum. Now for our worked example, I'll input a load force F2 of 10, set the distance from fulcrum to effort D1 at 10, and the distance from fulcrum to load D2 also at 10. After clicking Calculate Third-Class Lever, we get 3 results. The effort force required F1 equals 10 pounds, meaning you need to apply exactly 10 pounds of force to lift this load. The units show as pounds. The mechanical advantage MA equals 1000, indicating no mechanical advantage since the effort and load distances are equal. This calculator helps engineers quickly verify force requirements for third-class lever applications. Find the link in the description below.